Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn about continue statement in Java. So what is continue statement? The continue statement in Java is used to skip the current iteration of a loop and jump straight to the next iteration. Unlike the break statement which exit the loop entirely. But in the continue, it will just skip the remaining code in the current iteration. Let's see, then you will understand what is the difference between continue and break. So first, let's try to print from 1 to 10. So how we can do? We have to use the for loop. If you don't know what is for loop, then please watch this video. So what you can do, just use here int I equal to 1 and I less than 11, and it will be in increment order. So just use this out. Let's run. So you can see we are able to see from 1 to 10. So continue, how does it work in the loop? For, while, do, while. The continue statement is very powerful and useful when you want to skip some certain condition without breaking out the loop completely. It tells the loop to immediately proceed to the next iteration. So let's take this example where we are printing from 1 to 10. But now I just want to skip the number 5. How we can do? So here continue is going to play an important role. So just use here if condition I double equal to 5, then just use here continue. So now you can run. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that 5 we have not printed because when I value was 5, it satisfies this condition, and here it's passed the message like let's skip this I value for now and go for the next iteration. So when we try to run as debug mode, so you can see we have printed here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I value is what? 5. So when I value was 5, automatically you can see the code will not go line number 10, but it will go for next I value. So you can see right now I value is what? 6. So it will go to line number 10. So similarly, it will go for next iteration. So in this example, I hope you understand the loop printed earlier from 1 to 10, but when I becomes 5, the continue statement is triggered and the loop skip the printing number 5 and the loop continues with the next iteration. That means printing from 6 to 10. So whatever I did for the for loop, you can try with the while loop and see whether continue is working perfectly or not. So when to use continue statement? Use continue when you want to skip certain iteration without stopping the loop entirely. It is helpful when you only need to bypass certain condition but still need the loop to keep running for the other cases. And for now, we are going to skip the return. We will cover this thing once we understand the method. That's it for today.